Okay, kids, never ever tamper with fire alarms at school or in your daycare centers. Because fire alarms are not toys, they are very serious devices that save people's lives. Because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. Not only do fire alarms save people's lives, but they save the building from being burnt to the ground because they notify the fire department to come and put the fire out. So, this is why these things should never ever be messed with. Especially on this day. If you tamper with fire alarms on this day, then you are really selfish. So, never ever tamper with fire alarms on this day or on any day of the year. It is against the law to endanger other people's lives. That is what you are doing if you tamper with fire alarms. So, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason, especially today. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, then you will end up like Mikey from Darman. You don't want to end up like Mikey from Darman because he pulled the fire alarm for fun at school to skip a test. And guess what happened to him? That's right, he got arrested for endangering other people's lives. So I am serious. Never ever pull fire alarms unless there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, do not pull fire alarms. They are not toys. They are very serious devices that save people's lives and save buildings from being burnt to the ground. Take my words of advice very seriously. This is not a joke. Never, ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Bye.